So what is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of the web page. For example, all the content of this web page were created with HTML. This text, created HTML, this picture, buttons, everything you have here were created with HTML elements. Here is an example of an HTML element. You can see it has an opening tag. This less than h1 and greater than is called an opening tag, and this one at the end with a slash is also called a closing tag, and in between is the content of the HTML element. This is a heading element. Below the heading element, you have the paragraph element. You can see just as you have with the heading element, paragraph element represented with P starts with an opening tag and ends with a closing tag. But not all HTML elements have both opening and a closing tag. The example is the line break element, BR element, which is used to create a line break. See, it only has an opening tag and nothing else. And you use this to create a line break. As we continue in our lessons, you get to see many HTML elements and their use cases, what they are used for on a web page. Now, how do you create an HTML document where you can enter all these elements? Let me delete this once just to show you a brush how this is done. Great. Now, if you come to your VS Code and you click the first icon on the top left, you see these three little icons here. The first one says new file. You see what the tooltip says, new file. The second one is new folder. So to create a new HTML document, you click the new file and then type in the name of your document. Say in this case, index. Then you add a dot and HTML. The HTML at the end of the dot is referred to as the file extension. That's what makes this document we created. We just created an HTML document. The HTML at the end or the file extension. Now in here, we can start entering our HTML elements. In my next video, we discuss how we can enter various elements into an HTML document. We'll be starting with the head tag. Well, what is the head tag? Watch out for my next video. Catch you there.